Hello, my dear students, and welcome to our class. Our lesson for today is what do forces do? I want you to look at these pictures. As you can see, we can move objects by using force. What is force? Force is a push or a pull. This boy here is pushing the ball. This boy is pushing the box. That means he moves the box away from him. This boy is moving the ball away from him. This boy is pulling the box. It means he's moving the box towards him. This girl too, she's pulling the card towards her. So a force is a push or a pull. A large force is needed to move heavy objects like this shopping cart. This is a heavy object. It needs large push or large force. This shopping cart has a lighter mass, so it needs small push or small force. When you push or pull an object, you give an object energy. The amount of energy depends on the size of the force. This player here kicks the ball with a lot of force. That means he gives the ball a lot of energy. When you kick the ball with a lot of force, the ball moves fast and goes far. Look at this boy here. He pushed the ball with a little force. So the ball moved slow for a shorter distance. So large force gives an object more energy. Look at this ball here. When you kick the ball, it will move for a short amount of time and eventually it will stop, right? Do you know why is that? That's because of friction. What is friction? Friction is a force that makes an object slow down when it rubs against another object. See here? There is friction between the bottom of the box and the surface of the ground. This friction makes the box slow down. This car is moving on the road, right? There is friction between the tires or the wheels of the car and the surface of the road. Now this boy here is pulling the box on a smooth surface. There is a friction force between the bottom of the box and the surface, right? But it is a smooth surface. That means the friction will be less than the rough surface. Rough surface causes more friction than a smooth surface. So here's the question. The boy is pulling the same box on a smooth surface and on a rough surface. On which surface the movement will be easier? What do you think? Excellent job. Of course, on the smooth surface because it has less friction. Look at this picture here. There's water on the ground. The water makes the surface smooth. This penguin too has smooth feathers and it is moving on the ice. The ice is smooth too, so there's no friction here, or the friction will be so little. Smooth surface causes less friction. Smooth surface causes less friction. Now to the experiment, we have two objects, the green one and the blue one. The green is smooth and the blue is rough. As you can see, the smooth object will move easier than the rough object. That's because it has less friction. Okay, now I want you to look at these pictures. Force can make an object start or stop moving. It can make a moving object speed up, slow down, or change its direction, as you can see in these pictures. Again, force can make an object start or stop moving. It can make a moving object speed up or slow down, or like this picture, it can change its direction. Okay, look at these pictures here. When you push the ball against the ground, the direction of the ball keeps changing, as you can see. Okay, third graders, I hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. I'll see you next time, inshallah. Goodbye.